Hi, welcome back to my channel. As today video, we gonna share to you the benefits of eating cherry. Cherry, they are separated into two classifications, sweet and sour. No matter how you choose to enjoy cherries, here are some great health benefits you'll experience in the process. Benefit number 1, cherries contain antioxidants. Antioxidants fight the oxidation of other molecules. The antioxidants in cherries can help in numerous ways. It lowers the risk of some types of cancers and battles mental diseases. Even if you may not need any of this now, prevention is always better than a cure. Luckily in this case, the prevention is also delicious. Benefit number 2, not only do they feed your stomach, but your brain too. Cherries contain a compound called flavonoids which shield the fruit from both insect and microbe damage, thus better preserving the many health components. Moreover, flavonoids are likely to prevent neurons from dying, and even strengthen their attachment to other neurons. Benefit number 3, they can help your hangover. Eat cherries. Not only will they help you replenish the lost electrolytes, but cherries contain natural fructose which is believed to quicken the metabolism of alcohol in the body. Only time can completely cure a hangover, but with cherries that time may be shortened. Benefit number 4, they help you bounce back after a workout. The anti-inflammatory properties from the anthocyanin help speed up the recovery process by repairing your muscles quicker. Eating cherries also results in less muscle damage in the first place. This links back to the antioxidants which produces more oxygen in your system. This also means you will experience less muscle pain and tenderness overall. Benefit number 5, cherries help you with weight loss. Eating a bowl of cherries before a meal will help you eat less overall and help speed up your metabolism. This also means cherries make a great snack for in-between meals or satisfying your craving for sweets. Using cherries to lose weight will backfire. Benefit number 6, cherries can help you fall to sleep, and stay asleep. The list of natural food that contains melatonin is short, and cherries happen to be on it. Melatonin is a natural hormone found in the body, but certain habits can prevent it from producing enough to sleep well. On average, there are 13 nanograms of melatonin per gram of cherry. That's all for today, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more facts video. See you next time.